Hello, in this video we're gonna check if OPPO X5 Find Lite has a stereo speakers. So in order to determine that, first let's find all of the speakers on this device, and on top there's nothing. There's one speaker right here, that's the phone call speaker. On the bottom there's a speaker right here, and that's basically it. So now let's play some music, and if the sound will be coming from both of the speaker, that means this phone has a stereo speakers. If the sound will be coming only from one speaker, that's a mono speaker. So let's try that. So clearly sound is coming only from one source, and that would mean this device has a mono speaker. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.